Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, first of all, I want to thank you for watching my video on the red flags. That went totally viral. So thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. It looks like you shared it around. Good information there. And I'm going to be providing a lot more of these evergreen, sort of super high value informational videos for you guys on a regular basis because they seem to be important and people really do want to do their research. Which brings me to another point. We have a Patreon channel, and the Patreon channel it's called Super Savvy Secrets. It's not really secret. Anybody can go join the channel. But for our paid members, what I do is I provide updates every so often, but a lot of times I want to give gifts. And one of the gifts I'm working on now is basically a glossary of terms, not only for the listings, you know, like when you're looking for a property, what does this mean? What does that mean? What's a Lavastoviglie? You know, what is it? That's a dishwasher, by the way. But what are these things? And why do I need to know about them? And what is the implication of these things? So I'm working on a little PDF that's going to be available as a download for all our paid members of Patreon. And, you know, the guys that have been there for a while have had several free gifts. But I want to do more because our Patreon guys are super important to us and it's not that expensive. So go join the Patreon channel and stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to give you a lot more information and some more properties and things like that. We have a lot of exciting news because we're heading back to Italy in a few weeks and heading up to the Montepulciano area where we're going to be focusing a lot of our time and attention in addition to Calabria and Puglia. So see you soon, guys. Have a great new year.